I'm Governor Ralph Northam, and you're watching TMA. Have a great day and happy holidays.
As always, I bring you today's winter-themed trivia question about how many snow crystals fall from the sky each winter. The answer may surprise you, so stick around till the end to find out.
Hello once again, Titans. It's Thursday, December 9th, and as always, we're your host duo, Ben Delnegro.
And Nora Reed. It's hard to believe we only have a little over a week till winter break, and we only have one more show after this one with us as hosts.
Wow, are we really that close already? It's a shame our time together is coming to its end, Titans, but that won't stop us from delivering you the news for today. Speaking of which,
there's a great opportunity to make sure we are doing our part in giving back this holiday season. Come to the main office to donate stuffed animals, toys, canned food, or winter clothes. This donation opportunity is open from December 1st to December 17th. Donations will go to the Salvation Army, the Christ House, and Unique Thrift Store.
if you are in need of any help applying for colleges or scholarships, please feel free to stop by the College and Career Center, room A114, during Lunch and Learn and after school for help.
As always, Future Friday is this Friday in room 145 at 11:45 a.m. This week's topic covers information regarding volunteer work, nonprofits, and sports management. Led by Mr. Dan E. Conan, the Director of Program Leadership at Special Olympics, this is sure to be an informative experience you won't want to miss.
Titans, make sure to get your responses to the prompt, "What can adults do to show us they care?" in by the end of the week. We can't wait to see all of your responses in the finished Titans Speak Out package.
Despite the fact that I will not be singing, like talented TMA host Griffin Magnus did yesterday, I will still let you know that the Tri-M Music Honor Society is still holding their door decorating contest until next Wednesday, December 15th at 3:30 p.m. The prize for the class with the most creative door will be free Krispy Kreme donuts, so I would get to decorating.
Spread the holiday cheer and show your support for our senior classes by purchasing $1 candygrams to send to your friends during this festive holiday season. They are set up in front of the school store during Lunch and Learn and will be delivered next week to your friends in their 4th or 5th period class, so make sure to know that information before coming.
The class of 2023 is holding a fundraiser, so head on over to Ann Pizza at Bradley Shopping Center after school on Tuesday, December 14th. 50% of all sales will be donated. All you have to do is show the flyer and get your pizza.
There's a Girl Up meeting today during the first half of Lunch and Learn in room A230. Make sure to be there if you have any interest in the club.
There's a great opportunity to raise any high school credit class that you may have failed in middle school to ensure that those Fs do not appear on your final transcript. If you would like to take advantage of this great opportunity, make sure to see your counseling team during Lunch and Learn outside the auditorium anytime before winter break.
A reminder that SFA is holding their annual virtual FAFSA workshop next Tuesday, December 14th from 4 to 6 p.m. Tons of helpful information will be shared, so make sure to check it out. Availability is limited, so sign up using the link below.
Congratulations to Douglas Hernandez, Raymond Lampkin, and Adam Bashir for making the top 8 in the state tournament for Rocket League. They will travel to Shenandoah University on December 18th to compete for the state title. Way to go.
This week is Computer Science Education Week. Remember to check out the Hour of Code tomorrow, December 10th, at the Minnie Howard Library to participate in a variety of fun computer science and coding games.
This week, Virginia Governor Ralph Northam and newly sworn-in Virginia Secretary of Education Fran Bradford came to ACHS King Street campus to make an important announcement.
Greetings, Titans. Governor Ralph Northam and Virginia Secretary of Education Fran Bradford are visiting Alexandria City High School today. Let's go see what they have to say.
I'm honored to welcome you all to Alexandria City High School, home of the Titans. We're honored to have Governor Northam and so many dignitaries here with us today.
Thank you, Principal Ballas, for the warm welcome, and I'm so glad to be here today, and I want to welcome Governor Northam, as well as our Virginia Secretary of Education, Fran Bradford, and everyone that's joined with us today for the event.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
My name is Abdul Abdusadi, and I'm a senior here at Alexandria City High School. Everyone, I introduce to you the 73rd Governor of the Commonwealth of Virginia, Governor Ralph Northam.
It is good to be back at Alexandria City High School, and great to have the principal, superintendent, Abdul Rahman. Thank you so much. So today, I am thrilled, I am proud to announce that the state budget that we are proposing in 2 weeks will again include a pay raise for our teachers, this time 10%.
I know that this administration has made significant and long-lasting changes that will ensure that Virginia continues to lead the way in providing a world-class education for all of our students. And with that, I'd just like to say thank you to everybody for joining us today, and thank you, Governor, for your continued leadership. Thank you all very much.
Well, Titans, it's been a very exciting day for us, especially for our teachers. I'm Quigley, that's Jack Hadley behind the camera, and you're watching TMA.
Thanks to Advanced TV Media Production students Harley Quigley and Jack Hadley for that package. I'm sure that announcement made many teachers happy.
And just like that, our penultimate show as host is over. As for today's winter-themed trivia question about how many snow crystals fall from the sky each winter, the answer is a whopping 1 septillion snow crystals. That is 24 zeros, Titans. 24.
I hadn't even heard of that number till today. That's like a trillion times a trillion. Titans, we've been your host duo, Nora Reed
and Ben Delnegro. Since this is the last time we'll see you this week, we highly encourage you to stay tuned for the upcoming week of winter specials, which are sure to be quite entertaining.